Good evening, everybody. Welcome to an academy. Welcome to this session. Welcome to Creatic channel. So, in this particular session, I am going to solve one question from the latest combat exam, which happened on day before yesterday. That is on this Sunday, 30th, right? So, from network analysis. So, let me introduce about myself. This is Bhima Shankar. I did my MTech from IIT Kharagpur. I have around 10 years of teaching experience in GATE and ESC throughout the country. I am expertise with the subjects of digital circuits, network analysis, and microprocessors. In the last 10 years, I taught to several thousands of students, almost all corners of the country. So let's start the session. So this is the question appeared in this combat exam from network analysis. So the question is very simple. The energy stored in the 2 farad capacitor and the 2 Henry inductor under the DC condition. So what is the energy stored by this element and by this element? Before going to that, you should know that for DC, inductor acts as short circuit and capacitor acts as open circuit. So let's redraw this circuit by replacing inductor with short and capacitor with open. So let me do that. You have 3 amperes. Very good. Chalo. Then you have 3 ohms. Replace inductor with open and also same with the capacitor. Inductor with short, I'm sorry, capacitor with open. Right. So here this is your inductor is replaced with short circuit and this is the capacitor, we replace it with open circuit. These are our interest. So now please listen here. Here you can see this is a 3 ohms and here 2 plus 1, sorry 2 plus 4, 6 ohms. 6 and 3 are in parallel. By current division principle, I will get here 2 amperes, I will get 1 ampere. So 1 into 2, what is the voltage drop? 2. And here it is 2 amperes. So what is the energy stored in the inductor? EL of infinity is equal to half into L into IL of infinity square. That will give you 1 by 2 into L value is 2, current is 2 square, 4 joules. What is the energy stored by the capacitor? Of C, okay, and VC of infinity square. So off into C is how much? 2 and VC of infinity will be 2 square, 4 joules. Okay, because inductor is VC is 2, IL is 2. Fine. These are 2 and 2, so we are replacing like this. Fine. So what is the right answer here is 4. This is a very simple question. You can easily crack it. So let me give you a few words about an Academy Plus subscription, guys. If you want to go for an Academy Plus subscription, इसके अंदर बहुत सारे benefits है. You can see on the screen, like you have multiple batches, live classes by all top educators, test series is there. You'll be getting dedicated doubt solving sessions and all the classes, multiple batches for Hindi and English. It's like one stop solution for you for your GATE and ESC preparation. If you go for Iconic, you have extra advantage with personal coach, study planner, preparatory material you will be provided, and study booster sessions, performance analysis, and dedicated doubt clearing sessions. If you see the prices originally for plus subscription, these are the prices. But if you use my code Shankar10, you will get 10% discount, and this is the final price after the discount. And if you go for Iconic, these are the prices, guys. But using my code, you'll get 10% discount, and this is the final price. But if you need beyond this more discount, yes, there is an academy combat exam, guys. If you are financially not able to pay that much amount also, then you can compete with the unacademy combat exam. It happens every alternate Sundays. So May 30th already completed. So next you will be getting in the next alternate Sunday you will be getting this exam, and it is under 5 branches. You will be having largest what we call weekly competition with all the almost all corners of the country. All students will participate. You will getting live interactive what we call session where you will be getting your leaderboard, your ranking, and you can identify where you are not able to perform, where you are able to perform, and you can identify and work on that. And you will be having exam of just 1 hour, and all the questions are made by top educators, which are gate level questions. So if you write this exam, keep on analyze, you can keep on analyze about yourself, and it will be definitely very helpful for you. So if you get the top 3 rank, definitely you get 100% free an Academy Plus subscription. If you get it in the 4 to 10, you will get 75% off. If you get it in first 50, you get 50% off. If you get it in the top 100, you will get 25% off. Okay, so these are the offers you will be getting, or scholarship you will be getting by using an Academy Plus subscription combat exam. Okay, which will happen every alternate Sunday. I hope I cleared your doubts regarding the Academy combat exam, and also explained the question which appeared, which will show you as a sample what kind of questions can appear in your exam. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So these are our rankers, latestly from an Academy platform, from electrical and also ECE. Thank you.